Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore effects and how they relate to the music we make. Ever wondered how music producers transform simple sounds or ideas into something truly unique? That's where effects come in. There are many different types of effects that each serve their own unique purpose. However, in this video, we'll go through 3 of the most common effects. Let's start with reverb. Reverb creates an echo-like sound that gives the illusion of space. Think of the difference between speaking in a classroom versus speaking in a stairwell. The stairwell typically has a lot more reverb. Now, let's hear how reverb can change a sound. Reverb. Reverb. Notice the difference? The second one feels a little more spacious. Next, let's explore delay. Delay creates echoes or repetitions of a sound signal. At its core, delay takes an input sound and plays it back after a short period. This can be a fraction of a second or several seconds, depending on the desired effect. Another popular effect is distortion. Distortion is an audio effect that alters the sound signal by increasing the gain. Typically, distortion is used to create a gritty, crunchy, or aggressive character. Distortion. Distortion. The key to using effects is creativity. It's not about what you use, it's how you use it. Effects are crucial in music production and allow producers and artists to sculpt and enrich their desired sound. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.